Good day everyone, my name is Mark J.T. Balbalosa. I'm from Besed Mathematics, Section 1A. I will tackle about the sequence. Welcome. So, sign on the time, find some, so natay classroom rules. First, sign in on time, find some quiet place to study, listen, look at the screen, raise your hand, and teacher calls your name. Don't draw it on the screen, don't talk to your friends, enjoy. Objectives: generate and describe patterns, finding the next few terms of sequence. So what is a sequence? Sequence is a function whose domain in either the set 1, 2, 3 n, where n is natural number of the set positive integers. Every element in the sequence is called a term and denoted by a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. So every numbers is there's a have a n term. Like for example, a sub 1, ang number 2 is a sub 2. Ang number 3 is a sub 3. From the definition, a sequence is said to be finite. Its domain is the set 1, 2, 3 dot and so is said to be infinite. Its domain is the set of positive integers. Example, not example there is 3, 9, 27, 81, and 2, 4, 6, 8. And the finite. The first sequence is an example of finite since there is a last term. Considering the first sequence, 3, 9, 27, 81, we can clearly identify the terms as follows. So the first term denoted by is a 3. Second term is denoted by a sub 2 is 9. So ma-identify natin ilan ang common difference between the 3 and 9. So if the two 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 so the fourth term denoted by a so to solve the second term is you need to put 3 times 3 equals 9. So the second term is 9. So to identify the third term is you need to times 3 again to equal to 27. 9 times 3 equals 27. So and if the fourth term is denoted by a sub 4 is 81. So and a sub 4 is also the last term of the sequence. So tara is makita na to ang 81 is the last term, the a sub 4 the last term of the sequence. And the 2468 is what is you can see the 3 dot is the example is an infinite sequence. Why? Because the 3 dots is identify the infinite sequence. If there are 3 dots is the what we call the infinite sequence, since the 3 are dots are ellipses at the end, which signifies the continuity of the terms. So I have activity to identify the following sequence, either finite or infinite. Complete the table below. So if you want to answer this activity 2, please comment in the comment section sa baba in my channel. So the number 1 is 5, 10, 15, 20, and infinite. So ma-identify nato diri is, so the classification of number 1 is infinite. Why? Because there have a 3 dots, so the 3 dots we call is epilepsies. The number 2 is infinite, the number 3 is finite. Why? Bisag naa siya dot, but the the next term is the third dot, and the next term is there have a number, it is called finite. The number 4 is 1 2 3, and naa siya ellipsis na dot, is called infinite. The terms of the sequence consider the function. So I have a formula na dapat natin gamitin to solve the next term. An equal to 2n plus 1. The function a sub n is considered as the general term of the sequence. Let's find the 5 terms of the sequence. I have another 4, n equals 1, a sub 1 equal to 1, quantity of 1 plus 1 equal 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 4n, the second term is a sub 2 equals to quantity of 2, 1 plus 1 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So you can see the 4n equals 3, a sub 3 equals 2 plus 3, 2 quantity of 3 plus 1 is equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. So 4n equals 4, a sub 4 equals 2 quantity 4 plus 1 is equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. So dira is through the formula is maano na to ang the first 5 terms of the sequence. So find the first 5 terms the sequence whose general term is a sub n equals the 3 term, n term. Solution problem number 1. Find the first 5 terms. So nato ang solution for the problem number 1. Given a sub n equals 3 n. If n equals 1, then a sub 1 equals 3 raised to the power 1 equals 3. If n is equal to, then a sub 2 equals to 3 squared equals 9. If then 3, then a sub 3 equal to 3 cubed equals 27. If n equals 4, then a sub 4 equals 34 to 84. Write the f if the sequence is finite, or I if the sequence is infinite. So if you have answer the activities, so please put in the comment section. So that's all. Thank you for the listening for my topic. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.